Hello and welcome back. I'm Herein, professional investor and difference maker in my family, and you can be the difference maker in your family too. Look, today I'm going to talk about where to buy mortgage notes. Now, I mentioned in a previous video that our company, the ACI Legacy Group, is a note dealer and we have mortgage notes for sale. But we're not the only place that you can find mortgage notes. We happen to have the best in our opinion, but you can find them other places too. You can find mortgage notes online. Literally, if you Google mortgage notes for sale, you will find hundreds of sources to find mortgage notes. Another good place to find mortgage notes is to go to the county recorder's office, because mortgages get recorded in the county where the property is located. And when you go to the county recorder's office, you can see the mortgage holder's information, the lenders. And you can reach out to them by mail or by phone, and you can find out if they want to sell their position in a mortgage. Another source to find mortgages is to buy mortgages from other note investors. Now, how do you find other note investors? You can literally go to real estate meetups and tell people that you want to buy mortgage notes, and people will raise their hand and say, I have mortgage notes for sale. You can also find these people through mortgage note brokers. If you were to Google mortgage note brokers, you'll see a list of mortgage note brokers. You could call them up and say, I want to buy a mortgage note, and they have relationships with note sellers all around the country, and they will bring those to you for a fee. That's another option that's available to you. Now, you can also even create your own mortgage note. Now, that's a little different. That's called origination, but you can actually create a mortgage note yourself on a piece of real estate. And we teach you how to do all those things. By the way, in my course, my real estate mortgage note investing course, you can learn how to do all these things. We have a basic course and we have an advanced course, depending on how much you want to learn. So you can go to our website, investbrilliantly.com. That's www.investbrilliantly.com, and you can find out more there. I've also got a 5-part video series that you can immediately have access to on our website, which tells you the whole process to buy a mortgage note. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, and Step 5 on how to buy a mortgage note. So go to investbrilliantly.com, register there, and you can watch the video on how to buy a mortgage note. So there you go, guys. I hope you found this series enlightening. I hope it's intriguing enough for you to take the next step, which is to dig deeper. As I've said in the previous videos, you should share this information with your kids and your grandkids and your friends, because they don't know. And people don't know what they don't know. But now that you've been exposed to this, you have, in my opinion, a moral obligation to share this valuable information. Your friends and neighbors and relatives have got money out in the stock market, and they're crossing their fingers, they're losing sleep, they're worried, they have money in mutual funds, again, they're worried. Why should they have to worry when it's so simple? Just be the bank. Banks don't buy stocks, banks don't buy Bitcoin, they don't flip houses, they don't buy rental properties. Banks are in the money business, and you can be in the money business too as a professional note investor. And that's what I want you to share with others, because people just don't know. All right, guys, that's what I've got for you. God bless you. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you'll take some action based upon the information that I've shared with you. God bless you.